Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about natural colon cleansing. Natural colon cleansing was also employed by the ancient Greeks as part of their natural health regimen and their tradition. In the United States, colon cleansing was not popular until in the 1920s using tea, fruit, or colon irrigation. The important topic for the idea of colon cleansing is its safety. Do we really need to cleanse our colon? There are two major methods employed during a colon cleansing. One uses colon cleansing products while the other involves a professional to administer a colon irrigation. When using a colon cleansing product, you are asked to take supplements. The normal process is to force your colon to flush fecal matters. You can find these colon cleanse products in local health stores and also online. Such products include 1. Laxatives. 2. Oxygen powders. 3. Capsules. 4. Enemas. 5. Herbal teas. Most colon cleanse products are composed of organic and natural products such as licorice root, psyllium husk and flax seeds to cleanse, rejuvenate and supplement the digestion. The mixture of natural and organic products allows the stimulation of muscle activity and regular bowel movements, which is important in the digestion and absorption of nutrients and also helps in the toning of the colon for smooth elimination of fecal wastes. High colonics is another method of colon cleansing. The first machine invented for this kind of methods was introduced in 1900. Today, colon therapists are licensed to administer colon irrigation. This method is somewhat like an enema. However, this method involves more water and is generally less painful than an enema. During the process, you will be asked to lie on a table and a gravity pump machine will flush up at least 15 gallons of water to your anus. When the water is safely administered in your colon, the colon therapist will gently massage your abdomen to flush out the liquid with the fecal waste. This therapy can be repeated and can last for at least an hour. Water is very essential so that the body can flush out the toxins and fecal matters that are gathered in your colon. Without enough water, our colon cannot get rid of unwanted materials from our bodies. The more you drink water, the more fecal wastes and toxins your body can flush out as part of the process of colon cleansing, and the better the result of the colon cleansing process. A colon therapist usually uses various water pressures and temperatures and can also use a mixture of fruit enzymes, coffee and other herbs. Probiotics are also used as a supplement to replenish the good bacteria that are also flushed out during the process. One of the main ideas proving that colon cleansing is dated back in ancient times is autointoxication. This is the theory that suggests that undigested food inside our stomach can be accumulated in the colon. This harmful fecal buildup can produce toxic matters that can flow into the blood vessels, thus poisoning the whole system. This theory makes a real sense. Toxins, when reabsorbed by the body, are poisonous and even fatal. There are numerous symptoms that can be distinguished to having a toxic buildup, such as constipation, acne, bad breath, headaches and loss of energy. The buildup of these toxins and fecal matter is very harmful and could lead to fatal diseases such as the colon cancer. If you enjoy the video, subscribe.